channel. Today I'll be unboxing Look the High Bait Secrets. The pink box is from Series 3 and the bluish green box is from Series 4. Let's get started. And we're going, it has a it has a mask under it, and this one has nothing under it, and this one has a drink bottle under it, and this one has a bow under it, and this one has another bow under it. This one has tennis rackets under it. This one has nothing like the under it. This one has a trophy under it. This one has a bigger tennis racket under it. And this one has a tennis ball. Just pack it out. I got it out without cutting the thing in. Some fancy shoes. And this one has a mask, which is still in the box, so it's a bit hard to put it away. And here's her badge. And I'm just going to put these in here. Where'd that go? She also came with a water bottle. I did not notice that. This is Laguna Blue. Let's put her shoes on. I really like the Monster High show. I think it's really good. One of my favorite episodes, the one where Claudine finds the Monster High School, and so that's one of my favorite episodes in the actual show. I really like that one. And I also like the music to it. I got 1, 2, 1. I also like it? Man, this shoe is really hard to get on. Either it's the shoe that is hard to get on, or I'm just bad at putting this on. I finally got it. Let's put them in that. I'm just gonna... Oh, she also came with a card. With mascot. Found it. I got the basket. This could be like a little crown that goes like right here. Could just shove it near the mask or something, but or it's just a coin that looks fancy. This is what she looks like. On to the next one. This is like fighting an octopus. There's so many arms. She's wearing a red dress. She came with 3 bags. Maybe she has a pet in one, but I'm not sure. She got a hat. Ow. We got Frankie. Let's see if the hat fits over her glasses. I'm going to take the glasses off. Maybe backwards it will stay on. Yeah, it stays on better backwards. Let's see what she got in the next packet. Some boots. Just putting the shoes on. All of the dolls' shoes are very hard to get on, especially Monster High dolls. I got that one actually easier. Okay, I think I can. Got the shoe one. I think I said this was Frankie. This looks more like Julia. Let's put these on. These are meant to sit. Got him on. Let's see what's in this pack. Okay. It's a big one. Must be a tennis racket since it is. I know it. Now she can. Her tennis racket is an even has a G on it for Julia. But it kind of looks like a C. If you look very, very closely, you can see like one bit's like a G. And I didn't even realize that her hat fell off of her. We got Laguna Blue from Series 3 Haunted Dance theme. We got Julia from the tennis theme, and these are the items they come with. Laguna Blue came with a water bottle, a comb, and a bag to put her items in. And Julia came with a tennis racket. Stay still. You know what? You're just gonna sit down. And glasses. And those are the items she came with. You can sit.